Hey everyone, this is John from AAAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the charts or customize the charts and also the indicators in MT4 for iOS. So if we go to the charts tab, as you can see the charts right now, they're not really my favorite types of look at the moment. I don't really like the dark scheme with the white and the green. Also, it has an indicator by default, the RSI, the relative strength index indicator at the bottom here, which I don't really want to use either. So how do I customize all this? Well, to customize the actual charts, it's very simple. So to start off, let's actually change the color scheme. So we're going to go ahead and click on settings at the bottom, and we're going to go to charts. Now here we can obviously change the type of candlestick, so we can do candlesticks, a line chart or a bar chart. We're going to keep it as candlesticks. We can also turn on and turn off volumes. I find volumes might be quite useful. We can see the ask and price line. I think that's quite useful. Trade levels would be very useful as well, so when we actually enter a trade you can see a line of where the trade is. Open, high, low, and close, we don't really need that, but that's if you want to see the open, high, low, and close. And the data window, you can also see a data window is basically, again, it just shows you data. Just like the desktop version, it shows you all the different data within each candle. And we can go to colors. Now here, you can either choose a scheme, so black and white, or you can create a custom scheme. So we're going to create a custom scheme. We do like the grid. Bar up, we're going to do a blue color, maybe not such a strong blue, maybe a bit more of a soft blue like that. Bar down, we're going to do a red color, maybe again not such a harsh red, maybe like that. Bull candle, so the outline of a bull candle, I'm going to use the same blue, I believe it was this. And the bear candle, we're going to use the same red. Line chart, that's if you have the line chart, obviously volumes, when we keep them as green, that's fine. Bid and price line, I think that's fine, and trade levels again, so I like those colors, that's absolutely fine. So we're going to go ahead, exit out there, go to chart, and as you can see now, it looks a lot better now. I really do like this color scheme. It's much more my type of color. So that is how you change the candlesticks and the general customize the colors and different things with the charts. But now how do we go about and actually change the indicators? So for example, I don't want the RSI. Well, at the top of them, at the top center of the screen, you can see this kind of crosshairs, a tab that looks like the letter F, and then a few shapes. Now the letter F is the indicator tab, so if we click on that, you can see the indicator window 1, we've got the relative strength index there. But we don't really want that, so we're going to go ahead and click edit and remove that. Click done. And now the relative strength index is gone. But say we want to add a moving average. So we'll go back to the indicator tab, click main window, and here are all the inbuilt indicators available on MT4 4. So we're going to look for the moving average, which is right here. And here we can actually change the settings. So we want, let's say we want 2 moving averages. We want one that is, actually 10 is quite good, but we want an exponential moving average. So we're going to change it to exponential. And the color will be red, that's fine. And as you can see, there's the red moving average. But if we add another one, but this time we want it to be a 50-point moving average, and we're going to change the color to, let's say, a blue color. Exponential, great. We'll click done. And now we have a 10-point and 50-point moving average. And as you can see, works beautifully. So there's our 2 moving averages. And that is how you add indicators to your chart. So that's it for this video. I hope this was useful, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.